violation.
I just don't understand, because this test is to be provided first thing in the morning. So wouldn't the plasma donation be after the test is provided?
Mr. Copeland,
What happened, Your Honor, the date I made a mistake and dialed the wrong number to go drop that morning.
she's asking about the dilute, not the mist.
I didn't know about that it would dilute my sample.
That's Mr. Copeland, have you been listening at all?
I'm trying
It seems like you don't listen. Otherwise, you would have answered the question I actually asked. On the day that you're doing plasma and you're doing your test is first thing in the morning, right?
yes,
And then the plasma's after that?
yes.
So that does not affect the dilute of the test.
This, well, I'm explaining, Your Honor, the morning I missed and didn't go that morning, and I had to go in the evening between 6 and 9, that was the 25th. That was the 25th.
No. According to the violations I just read to you, the violation for going late was on August 5th.
Correct.
The dates where you were dilute were on July 25th and August 1st, not the same day.
Which I discussed with Ms. Brianna. She told me, do not drink too many fluids before I go. And I explained, I go to the 6:30 to 7:30 AA meeting, and I go to my home group between the 8 and 9 meeting. And that's when she said to me last Tuesday to make sure I don't drink no more fluids 2 to 3 hours before I have to go donate. So I won't have a diluted. She said, you never had a diluted. She said, make sure it don't happen again. That's what she stated to me when I met with her last Tuesday for our review when I turned in my AA sheets and my journal to her.
I would also like to note a discrepancy Mr. Copeland and I discussed where he called the office to check if he had testing.
I'm familiar with his excuse. He has been testing since May, and suddenly Mr. Copeland is all kinds of disorganized. He's calling the wrong number. He's suddenly dilute. He's suddenly testing at the wrong, you know what I mean? And this all follows a time period where Mr. Copeland was found to have not been attending groups, to have been lying about the date he last attended. Mr. Copeland, this is the last time I'm having this conversation with you. You are not going to be able to remain in the program if these are the kinds of excuses I'm getting from you. No more excuses. You told Ms. Khalil a whole excuse about how you gave plasma the day of the test, and that's why you were dilute. And I pointed out that wouldn't have affected your testing because you would have done plasma later in the day and you would have already tested. Sentence of the court is 3 days jail beginning Friday, August 22nd at 8 p.m. And this is the last time I'm having this conversation with you. You'd like to appeal my sentence and you need a